Ang tagal nating hinintay ito, but it's all worth it of the wait. As of worth every tear and every smile that we share. It was worth a lot of kiss and worth every and happy memory. It was worth every time to find myself back again from you.
Sparks every time I see you. Stars when you walk in.
When the day I met you, my life has changed. You make my world happy. You make me smile all the time. You cheer me up on my hardest day. You stay with me on my darkest day. You make me feel important and special all the time.
So let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm. Come and strike up the choir. Throw open all the doors. Oh, I've looked low and high, and I've never been so sure. I am yours. Won't you?
Today, you will say to one another, grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward. For better words in sickness and in health, till death do us part.
Probably lahat naman, pag may love ka, may respect ka, nandun na lahat yun. Kahit na naman yung problema, kaya-kaya yun.
You put your hand in mine, but you don't ever have to wonder. Winter slumber to the summertime, I'm always on your side. So let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm. Come on and strike up the choir. Throw open all the doors. Oh, I've looked low and high, and I've never been so sure. I am yours. Won't you be mine? I am yours. Won't you be mine? Let's start a fire.
You give me true and pure love. You give me everything that
Come on,
I did not expect it for. All I want to say is thank you for everything. From the bottom of my heart, I will love you so hard and cherish you every moment of our days.
I love you so much at hahalagaan kita at sa pamilya natin dalawa. I love you.
Darling, let's start a fire. I wanna keep you warm. Come on and strike up the choir. Throw open all the doors. Oh, I've looked low and high, and I've never been so sure. I am yours, and you are mine. I am yours, and you are mine. How the sun does shine, and how the stars burn bright. Now that I am yours.
I'm so blessed to have you in my life. I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I love you so much.
And you